Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if it's a bit echoey in here. I'm in the bathroom. But today I'm trying something I've never tried before. I bought a wig off of Amazon and it was £20. It's curly. We're gonna try and see if we can make it something cute. Because apparently you gotta put a lot of work into these synthetic wigs. I'm not a wig expert at all. It's glueless. I think it's supposed to have bangs as well. So let's just see what we can do with it. I'll leave the link in the description, but this is what the packaging looks like. I actually got two of these. This one's arrived first. I got this one and a blonde one. So right now they look like super tight curls. So I'm trying to make it not quite as tight, a bit more natural looking. So let's just see. Right, let me take my rings off before it all goes wrong. Here she is. Super curly, it's cute. I'm gonna put her on now and then we'll just see. So it's got clips in it. I don't really like using these because I feel like they rip my hair out. But I'm gonna just prep my hair and get it ready for putting on. So it is shedding quite significantly. I gave it a shake around and there's bits on the floor now. So it is shedding quite significantly, so we'll see. We'll see. I'm struggling to find which way around it goes, where the fringe is supposed to be. I'm assuming it's this way. Well, it has to be, because this is all the shorter hairs. Looks like we'll have to trim it. It's quite comfortable though. I want this to be like this hair obviously is gonna have to go. Because as soon as you part it or anything, like what I was planning on, but you can see everything, but just for the sake of being able to actually see, I want it to just be a bit more fluffy, less super tight curls. I'm gonna trim this front bit as well so that I don't have these bits in my eyes. I read one of the reviews of someone who had styled it and they said they just used water, not to use a comb because it will just ruin the curls. So I don't know, it just doesn't seem like it's sitting right though. But this is the wig. I think it's really cute. If I use the clips, where's the other clip? This is where it wants to sit. So we've got some trimming to do. Just gonna use a mist bottle just with plain water. I'm gonna take a piece from underneath, use this pick, and I just wanna see what happens if I do brush out some of the curls with this. See, that looks nice and fluffy. So I think I'm gonna do that to some of these ends because that's kind of what I want. I feel like it'll give it a more natural look. So I've done one side. This is the side, this is how it looked originally, and this is the other side. I just feel like that already looks more natural. I want it to be a little imperfect. It's perfect to me. I just think it looks great. And then I'm excited to cut these front pieces. I think maybe we should do that next. Or I should keep fluffing so I know that where I want it to sit first, actually. I'm excited for the blonde one now because I like this. I think this is cute. And then we've got these front pieces. So these ringlets that are like on the underside, I'm gonna fluff out a bit more. I just want to make sure that this is where it's supposed to be. Like that I feel like is right. I think I just need to cut like these pieces off. So let me just get some scissors. I've got no real guide other than I just want it somewhere where it's not going to bother me. So we'll start long and we'll go shorter, but let's make sure it's where I want it to be because like it's gone really far back on my head. So I need to make sure that's going to be the right place for it for I do what I'm gonna do. So this is where I would want it to sit. I don't mind them being kind of long. I just want them to be, so it's not in my eyes. Like, I want the fringe still. I just don't want it to be covering my vision. I'm not mad about it. I'm really not. What do you think? I don't want to do too much with like, messing around with this front section. But like, that's out of my eyes. You know, that's not gonna bother me. I think one thing I would do is the olive oil spray. I just want to get some of that on here. I think that's fun. And it really wasn't that much work. I was expecting to have to play with it for ages. And I feel like that was pretty much put on and go. Don't feel like I really had to do that much. How's it looking from the back? Let's see. I think that's cute. It's so different to like what I would usually have because my hair is not as curly as this, not even a little bit. And I also don't have a fringe. So it's so different, but I think it's cute. So I'm gonna put on some makeup. Put on some makeup. I'm gonna put on some makeup and then I'll be back because I feel like I just wanna like, I don't know, make my face match because I got no makeup on right now. So let me go do that and then I'll meet you back here. Okay, I did a little makeup. I also cut it behind my ears a little bit so you can still see my earrings. I just wanted to see if I could do that, which is great because I can without it looking like weird. I cut a few more pieces of hair. There was like hair here that was like just irritating me a bit, so I cut that. I think it's really cute, especially now you can see my earrings. Like, I love my jewelry, so it would have been a shame to cover that up. But I did some makeup and I'm feeling extra cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll link the wig in the description. I did buy a blonde one of this as well. And then I'll just let you know, I don't know, how it holds up in the long run, but it's really comfortable. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day. I'm not going anywhere today, but I'm just gonna wear this and chill, and I just think it's really, really cute and a fun way when you can't bother doing your hair. That's why I wanted to get the black and brown one, because I have black hair, so I was like, let's start with something that's a little bit, I have some other black wigs, which is why I was kind of like, let's get something that has a bit of color in it so that it is something a little bit different, but I'm a bit scared to do like full different color in case it looks too wig-like. But I did buy the blonde one as well, just in case. But yeah, I really, really like this. I think it's really cute. I'm like already used to looking at myself like this. I think it's really nice that I can put this behind my ears without looking weird. I don't need it behind my ears for convenience. I just want it so that like I can still see my earrings. I didn't put them on for nothing. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye.